Bowman's Beach.
Oh, is that what that is?
The Bowman's Beach. It's the our hotel. So yeah. So you want to walk to the right or to the left? You want to walk to the right. Alright, I'm going to record when we come to a shelter. Alright, we walked 2 miles on the beach, which is the equivalent of what, 10 miles?
Yeah.
Regular walking. So our January trip, this was the huge shell pile. As you can see, there is no huge shell pile, which I kind of expected that.
Every damn sand dune.
Every trip is different, but I was kind of hoping. There are definitely tons of shell lines. So we will do hardcore shelling tomorrow. Today is our first day here. It's our travel day. We're always kind of just blah. We were basically walking the beach, scoping out the area, seeing where the shell piles are. And there is no huge shell piles. It's just small little piles everywhere, which is fine. Just change up our game plan a little. Concentrate more on the small piles. And as you can see, the sun is setting and it is beautiful out. Beautiful. Alright. We're gonna head back. Because that 2 miles took like, what, an hour? It's slow walking on it. Good morning. I just got out of the shower and there is a lizard in my closet. I know. I'm not scared. I actually think that's pretty cool. I don't know how he got here. I don't know if I should catch him or just let him figure out how to get out the same way he got in. I don't know. I don't know if you can see him because it's kind of dark. There he is. Look at you. You little guy. How'd you get here? I hope you can find a way out because I'm not touching you. No, I'm not. Let's see. If I scare him, will you show me how you got? Nope, you're not scared at all. Okay, there you go. Is there like a hole there? Is that where you got in? Huh. Oh well. I'm leaving him to do his thing. I don't mind lizards. Now, if it was a bug, it would be a different story. But a lizard, he can do his thing. I don't mind. Walking around more of the Westwind Inn property. This is the front. Just trying to figure out where the tennis courts are. Plenty of parking. Like there's tennis courts over there, but I don't know that those are not this property's tennis courts. Anyway, the reason I'm looking for the tennis courts is their Shell station. Supposedly, I want to see what it looks like. Restaurant, computer center. This place is a lot bigger than I was thinking. That's the pool over there. Pretty little fountain. Oh, there's even a goldfish in it. Lots of little goldfish and one bigger goldfish. That is the check-in building right there, which is good. There's a lot of bikes right there. Restaurant, okay. I don't know where the tennis courts are. There's an employee who's been riding around on the golf cart all morning. I think he's actually like changing the garbage cans and stuff. I don't know. Don't know where the tennis court is. Those are the bikes. They do have baskets. Yay! We were totally going to do a bike ride later. We don't have a dog. They're very shiny. Oh well. Don't know where the tennis courts are. I'll keep looking. my husband was right. He said it's this little hut. And I'm like, the tennis courts? He's like, no, it's the fish and shell hut. I don't see any tennis courts. But I'm not going to complain. Here is the fish and shell. Oh, did you see that? There's a lizard right there. This is pretty cool. Alright, this is where we will come later and clean all of our shells. And fit. We're not. Robert did bring his fishing pole, but if we do catch any fish, it is catch and release only. We are not.
This is a nice hut.
It is a very nice hut. So then it's
like
raining.
Gilligan's Island hut, kind of.
Robert wants to hang out here now.
I
Don't you?
do.
It's having childhood flashbacks.
I like this. You could serve tiki drinks under this thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the bar has a hut too. The pool bar.
Nice as those.
Anyway, these are the bikes we're gonna get later, and yeah, I am extremely impressed with Westwind, and so far everyone we've run into has been super nice. The grounds are super nice. They have lots of extra little amenities. Really liking it. I'm really liking our Westwind Inn room. Not only do we have a great view of the ocean, there is a turtle hanging out. This is a gopher tortoise, sorry, and his little burrow is over here. So he pretty much just hangs out, walking back and forth, eating. So pretty cool. And we do have a deck outside. I'm just inside at the moment, but I like turtles. It's pretty cool. Here he comes, walking. Alright, we're here to clean our shells. Westwind Inn Fish and Shell Hut. It's 9 o'clock at night. We actually do not have that many shells. This is the least amount of shells I've ever gotten one day. But in all fairness, we only went shelling for about a half hour today. We actually did a bike ride, and then it rained the rest of the day. So, this is... There you go. That's it. That is it. We also have our, so put it in the camera. This is our red flashlight. That is turtle friendly flashlight. If you walk to the beach during turtle season, you have to have a red oh, am I getting you wet? You have to have red filter flashlight. We tried walking the beach a little bit. It's just, everything's red. This flashlight is spooky as heck. Oh my god, red filter flashlight is like Halloween. And it's very windy. It's like, we need a jacket. It's the end of, oh sorry! It hits the shell. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Good enough. I keep, sorry. Jeez. Sorry. What was I saying? Anyway, the red filter flashlight is just too spooky for us right now. It's been a long day. We'll go walking tomorrow.
Well, it's like this.
Okay, wait,
this is what you see at night.
It's like, oh my god, I feel like I'm about, were you in photography club in high school?
No.
Back in the day, before digital cameras, there was this thing where you developed film and you had a dark room and it had a red light. And that's what it was like. So most people will be like, what? Developing film? Yes. You had a red light, you had chemicals, you had a dark room, and you did it in high school in a photography club. Alright, so not that many, but still, I got a couple oranges. Those are cool. And then a bunch of these. This is what I'm going to focus on tomorrow. Because just, I don't know. There's not as many big shells as last time. But then tomorrow might be completely different. So, like I said, this is only like a half hour of shelling. I usually shell a lot more, but we were trying to do other stuff besides shelling. Tomorrow we're going to go fishing. And we haven't done that on the beach on Sanibel, so that'll be fun. What are you doing? Robert's playing with the camera.
I'm zooming out. Dramatic zoom.
Alright, that's it. The end of day 1.